Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to the show. This is Sleeping Dogs.
Yeah.
Apparently, it's made by some well-known company called Square Enix.
Again.
Oh, okay. Hi, welcome again to Sleeping Dogs.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, wow.
Oh. New game.
There's only one way to go, isn't there, really, Chris?
Yeah, there really is.
New game.
Yes, I want to continue.
Continue what?
Why would I not?
Okay, I like this already for some reason.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Looks pretty cool.
It's Hong Kongy.
Do I hold X to sprint now?
Yeah. Yeah, it's like, this is a handy tip. We're going to tell you now.
Here's my handy tip.
Oh. Nom 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 nom. Oh, Square Enix
okay.
and United Front Games present.
Well, it's not as pretty as Tomb Raider.
No. To be fair, not a lot of games are
True.
as pretty as Tomb Raider. You know what I read? Actually, recently, Square Enix's president of America, he resigned, and so did the Japanese one.
Yeah, I heard this.
For whatever reasons, one of them being cited as poor sales of this game and Tomb Raider.
Yeah.
To which
Even
I'm
though
like,
they actually sold quite a lot.
yeah, they sold tons.
Yeah.
So what's going on with this game?
I don't know. It's a pretty nice leather jacket though.
Oh. It's not quite Japanese.
Real charmer, this one.
Richama. Are Japanese and Chinese kind of the same sounding?
Yeah, kind of.
I know they look kind of different. There is some people say Chinese and Japanese look the same. I can tell the difference a little bit, but
Can you?
yeah, voice-wise, not so much. I reckon they all sound the same. Who's too far away? Don't do it, kiddo.
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
Okay.
No, we're talking English anyway, so it doesn't fucking matter.
My shit's not good enough for you.
Oh, he's doing some naughties. He's doing some naughty dust.
coke.
He's doing some naughty dust, Chris.
What? Who the fuck are you? Stop, don't fucking move.
Hey, mate, don't move.
You trying to fool me? You
can't let you do
fucking... Do you know who I fucking am?
Anyway, don't let him get away. Stop him. This is like the EastEnders version.
Don't hurt me.
Oh,
okay. They're getting on the act
Oh,
now.
Christ. It's already, they're getting in on the action, did you say?
Yeah.
It's the Hong Kongian police. Run. Run your ass.
That was pretty cool running.
Yeah. This all mocap.
Oh, I'm running.
we're in. We're in.
Running. I'm running.
Hold X to sprint.
holding
You holding it? Hold X. Push that
hold
guy.
it. Oh, I was,
Push that guy.
I was tapping it.
Push that thing. Run around that thing. Do stuff.
Okay.
Follow Naz.
I'm following him.
Follow him. He's running. He's getting away, dude.
Press.
He's 17, exactly 17 meters away. Oh, you're closing down this. Good. Go.
Okay.
So, I wasn't really listening. Are we the cops, or are we?
I have
Are we just
idea.
another rival drug-related gang? Are we? I don't even know. I don't know. It's crazy.
It is
Things
crazy.
are happening in this
Oh,
game.
that's pretty cool.
Run, fish tank, fish.
Okay. I don't feel like I'm gaining any.
No, you're really not. You're just kind of. I don't re Oh,
okay.
you took down some guy randomly though.
Awesome.
Well done to you. That should be a trophy. Right,
man.
right
It
on
should
top of the
be,
screen.
shouldn't it?
Top of the
It
screen.
should be.
You took down some guy. Well done.
Oh, come on. Sort it out, man.
Yeah. Oh, we did a leap of faith. Okay. It's nice. Oh, then we fell through a ceiling. Oh, God
Now we're
damn
even
it.
further.
Why do people have such shoddy roofing in this place? Oh no, they got him anyway. That's fine.
Oh, okay.
And now we're gonna run this way
Okay.
because we're getting chased. Okay.
We're getting chased.
Yeah.
now.
The hunter has become the hunted.
Got you.
That was quite amazing, actually.
Yeah, come on. Come on.
This is kind of what Shenmue should have been.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I've seen a bunch of comparisons between this and Shenmue. This obviously being more fluid and a bit, obviously
yeah.
up to date. But man, they should remake Shenmue just like this.
You should.
Maybe less cops. You know. Uh-oh, we're gonna have to do some time in jail.
Oh, dear.
Are
we not
obliged?
My impression was we were a cop.
I think we were just there.
Yeah.
Wrong place, wrong time. Do you understand? Yes, because the subtitles clearly pointed out everything you said, so that's great. Do you think we'll ever have like a device that just gives you subtitles on your phone when somebody... maybe it already exists, I don't know, but like just somebody would speak in a different language and you just be like, wait, stop talking, and you put your phone up to them and they go, now talk, and everything's
see
just like
why not.
spelled out. That'd be amazing. Oh, look, see, we're in.
Okay.
Okay. Shit, Emma Stone?
Really?
Do you mean the Emma Stone, or just somebody called Emma Stone?
Maybe.
Because this game just got a little bit hotter.
Hotter?
Yeah.
15 years
Not
ago,
James Hong though.
we're not kids
James
anymore.
Hung.
James Hung.
Whatever, man.
He is
Ask
hung.
anyone.
Lucy Liu? Okay, what?
Okay, right.
Alright.
What's going on here?
Either they're just throwing up random celebrities' names,
Yeah.
or they're actually in this game.
Report your ass from the United
Not this
States.
guy. Yunjin Kim. I don't know who you are.
No.
You could be anybody.
Yeah.
Lindsay Price. I don't know who you
No,
are.
no idea.
You're a random.
So what they
You're just
get you
you.
on?
And Chin Han.
Chin Han.
Chin Han.
Well, don't
We
let 'em
should
get any extra
probably
shit on you.
Yeah.
be listening
We'll try.
Probably.
to what's going on.
I think, it's just a guess, but I think they call it plot.
Oh.
yeah.
Do they have the same tattoo? They look like the same,
Oh,
got the same
really?
tattoo, just
Oh, they like-
reversed.
Remember Winston?
They're like Chinese brothers.
I don't know. Chai bros. There you go. It's a new term for you. Chai bros. It's Chinese brothers.
Red pole in the sun on
Brothers of the Chinese.
Shit, dog guys always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
So,
Dog eyes.
I thought they were like dog eyes, like that. It was just like spelt fucking Japanesey, but no, they literally mean dog eyes.
There's a lot
Steph
of-
song.
There's a lot of story.
Oh, is there?
Well, it feels like it so far.
I couldn't tell. We've just been talking over for the last 5 minutes. So it's fine.
Yeah, you know, fuck it.
Stab him with a pen. That sounds aggressive.
Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story.
Yeah,
He'll
you
fucking love
tell Winston.
Yeah.
Tell him he's my brother from another mother, or something related. Megan Goldsmith.
Juggy Ma!
Like, I'm out of here.
Juggy. What's that Chinese word? You know what? I'm not even gonna go there because I don't know how offensive that is.
Oh, okay.
We know some. We got a couple of Chinese friends.
We have.
They teach us. You know what? When you learn a new language, you always learn swear words first. You
Always.
always learn. I can remember trying to learn French, and they give you a French dictionary. You immediately look shit up.
Yeah.
Merde.
Is it meld?
Merde. M-E-R-D-E.
Merde.
Merde. I don't know what the fuck is. I don't know what the
Okay.
fuck this is.
Oh, fuck knows. Come on.
Just see what's going on. Did you see this?
Has he got a night tick on his throat?
Yeah, product placement. Right in your neck.
has failed to appear.
Oh, English
How do you
dude.
explain that?
Okay.
Don't rightly
You must be a
know.
very dangerous man, Wei Shen.
Wei Shen.
That's our name.
It almost sounds like Wei Asian,
That's
Wei Zhen,
exactly what
like
we
Wei
want
Asian. I don't know. I'm trying to make a joke. I'm
I
failing. I'm failing.
Went too
I'm
rough
failing.
on you,
It's
officer.
I'll
going
give you
wrong.
credit for trying.
It's going bad. Wasian. Wasian. Isn't that what, like a white Asian?
Yeah.
Wasian.
Is that what he is? Wasian.
I don't know. He's a Wasian.
Use him to get close to Winston's
Wasian.
shoe, do whatever it takes.
He's
Raymond
very
here will be
English.
your hand.
Yeah.
For someone that's
You'll
in Hong
report
Kong.
everything through
He's
him.
Our intel suggests
He's-
that Winston
he's on
is looking for
vacation.
muscle.
He's
You need
looking
to
for
find a
muscle.
way to make him
Ugh. Dirty
Not in
muscle.
Hong Kong.
go down the gym.
American gangs,
There's
even Asian
plenty of
ones,
muscle down in
don't
the
compare
gym.
to triads.
The gym.
Sun On Yi is the most
Gym,
powerful
gym.
gang-
Raymond. Your name is Raymond, right?
I'm glad they like gave us a little bit to play because otherwise, if this was the start of the game,
Yeah.
we're going down some fucking Metal Gear Solid 4 territory here.
It's getting that way,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah, yeah,
Dragon.
yeah.
Handedly, Wei,
God.
previous attempts to
He
get
kind of looks
close
like
to him
Sully
have-
from Uncharted.
A little bit.
Yeah,
A little bit.
We don't have much to go
kind of a
on.
little
That's why you
tiny,
were here.
tiny weeny amount.
I'm hoping that
He
you
doesn't
can
look like.
bring
No, he
something
looks like
more to
the
our
Chinese guy from the first one.
I understand,
Yeah.
sir.
I can't remember his name.
The sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can
No,
stop.
it's not there. It's gone. Well, there you go. That was fucking
And
10 minutes of
he's-
story
he's
for you.
just leaving, is he?
Wow.
Good luck out there.
Oh,
Oh.
thanks, mate.
Oh wow. Well,
Can we do stuff
Can we
now?
actually move? Can we do?
Respectfully,
No,
sir.
he's just gonna keep talking. That's
No,
fine.
well
That's
done,
fine. I got a
thanks.
fucking day anyway.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of
So what did you do today, dude? Because apparently these guys are like, oh, shut the fuck up.
I'll tell you what I did today, Andy. I went and pre-ordered The Last of Us.
Oh, did you? I still need to do this.
Yeah, I pre-ordered it.
Perfect.
Ah.
Um,
Who'd you pre-order it from?
game. Yeah. And
Did
while
you? Did you? There's a limited edition version.
There is. He said they're all out of pre-orders for that though.
Oh,
yeah. So I just
I wonder if
pre-ordered.
Play have any of those.
Pre-ordered the normal version.
The norm.
But while I was in there, I was intrigued because the PS4 is coming out this fall, right?
Hmm.
So I was intrigued how much my PS3 would go for if I was to trade it in.
Are you gonna sell yours?
Well, I was thinking, you know, just out of interest,
Yeah.
because I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet.
I'm gonna keep mine.
And he said, "Oh, so which one is it?" I was like, "It's the old 60 gigabyte one, you know, the big fat one."
Oh, this
Yeah.
the one we're
Yeah, yeah,
playing
yeah,
this on.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And he looked up. He goes, 20 quid.
What?
And I
Keep
was like,
it. Just
"You
keep it.
Fucking joking?
Just keep that shit.
This is something I bought for like,
£400 or
yeah,
something.
yeah.
You got butt rape there.
Yeah, I was like, no way. Well, I mean, I was like, really? That much?
that much? No. It's practically an antique.
And the reason was because apparently the selling price for that now is £999. I was like, that doesn't sound right. It was like
PS4?
the PS3.
The PS...
The old 60GB one.
Yeah.
He was like, it's unsellable, really. He said, we can't sell it. Like, they would literally need to send it back to whoever, and they would dispose of it, because they wouldn't be able to sell it now.
Oh, right. Well...
Because it's the old style one. I don't know why.
So, what does that mean? Mine's technically more expensive?
Oh, does that mean we can go
It's
and sell
priceless.
It? Can we go and sell it for £1,000 on eBay?
Maybe, yeah. Fucking put down a deposit on a PS4 then.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Dude, look at this.
This little side boob.
Look at...
Oh.
Isn't me like Asian people? They don't normally have, like,
No.
you know...
Asian women are not blessed with the chesticles.
The chesticles.
Wow, this shit just got heavy.
Is this the bit where it tells us to press square for punch? And...
Square for punch, yeah. Press square for punch. Press circle to not die. Here it goes.
Okay, here we go. Right. Okay, basic... Oh, there we go.
Oh, there you go. Basic combos. Square, 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 square. Square, square, square. Yeah, that's pretty basic.
Yep.
Perform heavy strike. Hold square longer.
Yep. Okay, that was it.
Like, who thinks of these fucking control schemes? You know, the people who design this game, they're just like, what's punch gonna be? Square, 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 square. So just repeatedly, what's a kick gonna be? Also square, but the second square you hold down slightly longer.
Yeah.
Oh, you're actually kicking some ass, though.
I am, man.
Wow. You kick some ass. Kick some ass.
Oh,
It's one
I'm
of
not
these.
gonna
Yeah.
lie, it's pretty awesome, just doing that.
Swing! Oh, everybody's kicking doors open.
Motherfucker!
Oh, shit.
Yeah, all right.
Next episode, we're dead.
Yeah.
Or maybe not. I don't know.